Okay? You don't have to do it now, just do it tonight. And this one is for hepatitis B. It's to protect the baby from hepatitis B. It's a shot for the baby. We give it to most babies, but you can refuse if you want. It's a good idea to get it. Okay? If you say yes, you just sign here and initial here. Okay? And then this, it says, it's a congratulations meal. It's for lunch tomorrow. Yeah. You remember that?
No, just like the other nurse told me.
Oh, okay. So you can choose for 2 people, the filet mignon, the salmon, or the mushroom. Or if you want to feed more people, you can do the family feast. It's like the sampler, you know the sampler at Dave's? With like chicken strips, mozzarella strips. It's really big. And then a plate of mini cupcakes. It's really good.
Only like 2 guests and plus my order.
No, just you and Dad or another guest. Okay. So family feast, you can feed up to 6 people. Okay. When